One of the main differences between ClickTime and our competitors is configurability. We know that every organization has unique needs, and there isn't any one-size-fits-all approach to tracking labor. That's why we've built the most flexible solution on the market. In ClickTime, you can craft your own timesheets, tracking time to any bucket you like, such as tasks, projects, and clients, or activity, program, and funding source. Whatever terminology works best for you. Choose which projects and tasks each employee can see on their timesheets so they can log time faster and are less prone to making errors. Set your own timesheet model, indicating when a timesheet period starts and ends and when timesheets are due. Create custom and hidden fields, allowing you to track information that's not part of the standard configuration. Set default billing rates, or craft unique rate cards for every client, employee, role, project, task, or any combination of the above. Import data in bulk, like timesheet data from another platform, to minimize administrative overhead. Assign employees to divisions, and choose who can approve their timesheets, time off requests, and expenses. Set unique cost rates for each employee, indicating whether they're salaried or hourly with custom overtime rules. And grant custom access permissions to individual users, so employees can get the information they need while you protect sensitive financial data. These are just some of the customizations we have to give you the security, data, and bespoke reports you need. But no matter what your ideal processes and configurations are, ClickTime is here for your organization. For more information on ClickTime's customizability, schedule a demo at www.clicktime.com.